मेरे बारे में इतना मत सोचना, दिल में आता हूं, समझ में नहीं।
Exciting times for Salman Khan as the superstar gears up for Eid, an occasion that has time after time, year on year, seen him set new box office benchmarks.
Too much fun.
But this is a festival as much about food as it is about film. And so, since Salman's time has been largely caught up doing the promotional rounds for Kick,
promotion, publicity.
it seemed the perfect opportunity to bring some of the festivities to him. Was he as kicked as we were about it? Probably not, but hopefully that's about to change.
So, it's taken me what, 3 years, 4 years to pin you down for a meal together?
Pin me down. I've always wanted to do an interview with you.
Yeah.
I always wanted to.
I have seen that.
No,
It is-
seriously.
Yes.
But just the food thing is not very okay with me because the kind of food that I eat
Huh.
is not very unhealthy. I
Right.
used to be. Where is it from?
It's from all over the place. We've got Jeff's.
Oh, you
We've
got Jeff Nichols.
Golconda Bowl.
Uh-huh.
And we have, come see. You'll have a little bit of an appetite, right? I know you're really, I've noticed how that's a horrendous problem for you.
And especially with the home food.
So yes, here it is, an assortment of the greasy, meaty excess that makes up most Eid menus. From the Hyderabadi house of Golconda Bowl, there's thick curry with marrow-bearing bones, the Nalli Nahari.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
There's that delectable paste of pounded wheat and meat, the halim, topped with fried mutton cutlets, a bowl of khichra, a potent, usually, bowl of dal and mutton, and there's their biryani. But no ordinary biryani there.
Mother's calls you.
You know? Yeah. Both of them.
Yes, absolutely.
Both the mothers are amazing.
So then, next year, can we do a comparison and invite ourselves over for next year?
You could do it anytime.
Alright, so.
You come any day now to the van and you can shoot the meals here.
Okay, done. You have no idea how done. I wanted to take you to Muhammad Ali Road, but I figured if I did,
No, we won't be able to. Won't be able to get out of there.
won't even be able to get in there.
Alright, in Atlanta, it's now back to important things like biryani.
A nice bit of raan, nice fatty pieces just for you. Can I give you
Thank
some of the
you.
biryani or no biryani?
No, it's good. Let me just try it. This is very nice.
This is nice? Okay.
It's damn good. That's it. No, I'm not eating
Oh,
it.
no more. Okay.
I'm just tasting everything.
Alright. Khichra?
Yeah, khichdi is good.
How's it?
It's amazing. It is amazing. There has a show ever been like this, and that you've come to a show and the food is not turned out so good.
It's not that good. I haven't tried it this day. By all means, you're not a fan of the khichra.
The one thing I hate is an animal sacrifices life,
Right.
for you to eat, and if you can't cook it right, you have no right to be a chef.
I would agree with that. Am I able to tempt you with Nahari after this?
That is going to take me too much time to digest.
Will you have a little bit of halim?
It's really nice. And it tastes hot. When it's hot, it tastes the best.
Yeah.
Stuff is like really yummy. I have this out with my friends and stuff. I have this all the time.
Yeah.
But right now I've got Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Right.
I've got to be leaned out again.
Yeah.
So.
Huh?
Okay, let me just see what else is there.
Okay.
What is this?
This is those mutton cutlets. Deep fried deliciousness.
Very good.
2 out of 3 for Jeff's.
Very nice.
Yes. But you could eat, I mean honestly, you would eat everything, right? You
I would eat
never...
it. No. I've been doing this for a very long time now. Because eating is very correct.
Yeah.
Like you're grilled and you're steamed and all that stuff. You can't eat all throughout your life like that. And once you stop eating like that, you just keep on blowing up.
Hear you loud and
And
clear.
I don't want to do that. So I rather eat a little bit of this and burn it out in the gym.
Right. But you are a pakka foodie, right? Like
I have a dish called michar.
What is michar?
Michar is when I come back from a shoot late in the night, everyone's to be sleeping and stuff like that. So I have to go to the kitchen. I have to get out all the food, the rice, and all, let's say, there's mutton here, so remove the mutton pieces into the rice, then there's khichda, put a little khichda, then this, all that stuff. put some salad in it, put that aam ka achar, the meetha one, the murabba type, and the katta one, that one.
All together.
And, yeah, mix it and have it.
And it's
mango
delicious.
pickles, mango pickles. It's amazing.
Mixture. Chalo.
Because our servant used to, as a mix kar dena, wo mixture bana dena. So they used to call it, yeah.
Oh,
So they used to call it mixture.
okay, lovely. So look, I'm going to suggest that we're going to put our own little mixture together and maybe sit down for like 5 minutes.
So there you go, a quick crash course in the making of mixture. Step 1, take a bowl. Step 2, throw in everything and quite likely the kitchen sink.
So as we wait for mixture to arrive, which by the way I'm also thrilled to try, so I'm stealing a
you
bite
tried,
from
you
your
tried.
bowl.
सुन अचार है क्या? इसमें अचार डालना पड़ेगा. अचार, डेटॉल, वो सब डाल दे.
Used you to go out a lot and eat out at like all these funny little corners? No.
I used to do that a lot earlier, but not anymore.
You miss it?
No, I order in now. Because every time that you're going out to eat, there's somebody's got a camera on your face.
Right.
So I hate that.
But it's not just a camera on your face. I mean, I remember once there were just some young boys who were standing in the compound or the neighboring compound, peering in and just thrilled to like see you or pointing or something.
People are fine. I've been used to this last 25 years. See, our culture, in fact, just day before yesterday, I went back to my old building in my old house. And I just, old Kantwadi. And I got so emotional there because it was such a beautiful area. And now there's only buildings. And I'm sure that nobody knows each other. When we were there, we knew everybody. We could walk into anybody's houses for lunch, for dinner, for breakfast. Their kids were over. We as kids were over there. Our tea used to be at Gurino Auntie's place, who was my godmother. There used to be ants, red ants in the tea. She said, it's good for your eyes, that patli chai. My sister, Alvira, still cannot have any tea apart from that tea.
Just the tea or the tea with red ants?
she said that, that they're good because shakkar ke andar chutiyan aati thi. So gappa we used to have it. Like I don't eat dal anywhere. The day my mother stopped feeding me dal, I have had dal only once after that. When I think 4 or 5 years old, mom used to feed me with her hands, and she stopped feeding me growing up. I've never tasted that ever again. I've never had that. And then my favorite dishes are rajma, chawal, roti. That's it.
Is it always for you ghar ka khana, or are you someone who likes to travel and explore? And
When I'm traveling outside, my problem is I don't know what to order. It's like when I'm eating, I want to be comfortable with eating. You don't want people like looking at me and So I'm out of the country, I'm fine. What I started enjoying now is sushi. Yeah. I used to hate the taste of it, but now because it is like it's
So
straight up
healthy and so
protein
clean,
and healthy and stuff like that.
no oil.
So I just keep on having it.
And finally, the mixture is ready.
This is mixture. I am very thrilled with mixture.
It's not the food. It's not the
That's actually,
quite good, na?
yeah, it's great.
I eat any kind of food.
Right.
When I go to the farm, I tell them to get the village food. I love that food. Yeah. It is important that whoever is cooking cooks it really well.
Yeah.
And especially when it comes to, like I was saying about non-vegetarian, if somebody is making, is cooking non-vegetarian food, he's got to be very careful of it. He cannot mess that up because an animal sacrifices life for you to eat. And then, it's going to waste. Actually, nothing goes to waste. Now, even if you throw this away, there is something or the other, some dog or some cat or some worm or something's going to eat it. So.
And to find out how true that is, stay tuned after the break.
So much has changed, right? Do you miss some of, again, sort of life's simple pleasures? Do you
Nothing has changed. Earlier it was paying bills
Right.
at restaurants. That used to worry, so we didn't go there. Today the bills are not that much of a problem. The eyes still to move to the right side, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's so used to it that when we used to go out for lunches or dinners earlier on dates and stuff like that, it used to be such stress, turmoil. It used to be like such a taras. Okay, yeah, what is she going to order? Jesus. So according to her order, we used to base our order. Even if we had the money, even if we knew that we can afford to pay the bill. what is going to happen on the next one. So if you paid this one and you manage to,
Yeah.
and then you decide to go out on another Friday, Saturday, whatever, and you know कि यार ये बहुत भारी पड़ने वाला है. So we used to find places, we used to make friends with some chefs in Bandra and stuff like that. So after restaurants used to get shut, you know, the chef used to make a special dinner for you. So it used to be like really romantic and stuff like that. But actually it was a jugaad, you know, to get free food.
So now,
So now it is people watching.
so what do you do if you want to go, like just go on a date? As you said, something as simple and as basic as just go out to people.
date to वैसे you can't go.
But is any corner, like in any hotel, where
That
they
is-
can
it-
guarantee
it-
like
it is-
privacy, something?
It's got nothing to do with eating. The date is, you can't do a date anyway. It's got nothing to do with eating at all.
All right, I will not put further. But does it bother you? Like you're also someone who's known for being incredibly accessible to your fans, right? That you've got a smile, you've got a wave, you've got a moment to stop for a picture, right?
Yeah.
But as you said, it has to get to you at some point.
Doesn't bother me at all.
Ever.
It's never bothered me at all. What does bother me at times is a rude fan and over-familiar fan. I don't understand this without asking, taking a picture. I just can't get that at all, because if I were to take a picture of my own family members,
Yeah, I will let them know.
I will ask them, you know, can I just take a picture with me? And they're the sly ones.
Yeah,
You know, they think that you're not watching, so their phone is, where's my phone?
yeah.
Their phone is like that, you know,
Yeah.
and they're having a conversation with you and they're recording.
Yeah,
And then those guys,
yeah.
who from there they put it onto
Yeah.
social networking sites.
yeah.
I hate that stuff.
Yeah.
And I just don't get that.
And what do you know, there's a new cat vying for Salman's attention and perhaps unsurprisingly getting it.
Kebab le aana. Wants kebab le aana. All these guys, when they're grown up, when they're growing up, we fed them a lot of milk.
Yeah?
Yeah, so that's how they come and they sit on. There's cats in the building.
Huh.
They come into the house. If the gym door was open, whatever, they come into the house and they start.
Yeah.
And they want like,
And your dog
अबे
knows
इसके
anything?
लिए गरम करेगा इसके लिए. So all milk and all has been fed to
Yeah.
them from here.
Does it
Okay, now don't ज़्यादा free मत.
Does it bother you, say for example, is like one of the things that, like say for example, Indore I believe is your hometown, right? That you can't go back, that you couldn't go to like a Sarafa Bazaar because I believe...
No, I
like,
couldn't go. I couldn't go home.
Yeah.
I've once I've gone to Indore and they've sent me back from the airport. Second time I went to the venue, it was a chaos. Third time I managed to reach the hotel. ले दे इसे, रख दे. Oh no. अबे वो chicken.
Fussy eater than you or me, huh?
Yeah. So I wanted to go home.
Yeah.
And they stopped me. They said, no, you can't go home. I said, I want to see my family, I want to see my uncles.
Yeah.
You know, and I said, no.
But is that gratifying
It is.
or is
No,
it...
it's. See, they're all doing the jobs. I mean, they're fans and stuff like that. And mostly this is the protection for the fans. Okay?
Right.
कोई fan पुलिस वालों से पिट ना जाए.
Yeah.
कोई लड़की से
Someone doesn't grab or
yeah,
misbehave
grab,
or something.
misbehave with her.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last time I was there, I went about 9-10 years ago. I went to the farm. There's a stadium right next to where our farm used to be. I
Yeah.
think it's called 9 Mile, I think.
Okay.
That road where I did a concert there. So that road, we worked on that road. Me and Arbaz and Baby, my sister. We helped build that road.
You had built
Yeah,
it like...
build that road as children. We were staying at the farm. The road work was in progress. We used to go there every day for about a month and a half, 2 months. We helped build the road. I mean,
How
whatever
lovely.
little work.
Did you do the whole Sarafa Bazaar thing as kids and...
As kids,
go and
we
eat?
did it, yeah. There's this place where, right next to the old Palace of Thana near the masjid,
Oh.
we used to go and have lassi there. Lassi and that, where they used to put the chironji on top and stuff like that. So we used to keep on going there morning, afternoon, evening and just keep on having the lassi. It was like the most delicious lassi we used to have. Chalo, somebody likes Jeff Caters. No, to be fair, I mean, he makes some really nice food.
Yeah.
We've known Jeff Caters since the time we were kids.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
So you call and tell him about the kichra. Alright,
Sure,
I'm actually being told we have to wrap up. So I want to say though...
But I'm liking talking to you.
Okay, good. So
Hiral.
then-
Hiral has said wrap up.
Oh, shucks.
Huh? What?
Yeah, yeah.
No. No. I want to talk to her. Yeah. If it's okay with you. Huh? He'll give me 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'd say that the cat stole the show was me getting my just desserts, except, well, once again.
I can't believe you're giving the sheer korma to the cat. Have one bite first. Taste now. I look forward to eat only for this. So I'm saying habits
Yeah,
anyway.
but a long time ago. But still, cannot follow
Yeah.
rosas because I'm working all the time and
Yeah.
you know it's difficult for me. Medication and stuff
Right.
like that. So difficult. So what I do is when everyone does their iftar, stop eating them.
Oh, oh.
So then from there
Right.
to Sahri,
Huh. You do ulta.
I do ulta.
How interesting.
Yes. And I think for me, it is the best thing to do. That you
Yeah.
eat at
Sundown and
yes,
then
last meal sundown.
Right.
And then,
you wake up and you will eat again at Sana?
yeah,
Wow.
I like doing that
Do
way.
you ever, and I know you're used to it because your fan following has not just been legion, it's been loyal for all these years, but do you ever sometimes take a step back and just be like, okay, this is wild, right? Do you ever
Yeah,
take a
because-
step back and
yes.
like, how did this
In fact, I was telling
happen?
Hiral Depu yesterday.
Huh.
Channels, kya hai?
More sheer korma,
Yeah.
which you're not going to eat.
Come baby, come. You like this, come. Come.
They're real divas, huh?
Hmm?
I said they're real divas, this one. I'm telling you, she's a fussier eater, she's a greater diva, probably than, you know.
Hmm?
I'm not going to. So you were saying you were telling Hiral?
Yeah, that it's strange. I mean, for somebody who cannot, who's like been a jack of all, master of none. I didn't know which path that I was going on. I didn't know what I was going to do.
Yeah.
I used to get the shit beaten out of me all the time from.
Really?
Yeah, seniors used to beat me up.
Oh,
I got whacked by my mom.
Yeah.
By my teachers, by my
Yeah.
principals, everybody. I didn't know where I was
Yeah.
going in life, and suddenly, for that kid to be in this position
Yeah.
is amazing.
Yeah.
My education was not exceptional.
Yeah.
You know, my talents are not phenomenal. There's nothing to it. As a personality, I'm nothing.
No.
It's just that everything that I have, what I got beaten up for
Yeah.
in my life, has come handy. I mean, I used to get beaten up for riding cycles fast.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this one cycle shot has been
Yeah,
appreciated.
exactly.
In
You ran across train tracks, please tell me you didn't.
no, I've not done stupid things.
हाँ,
You know, I've done
yeah.
कि साइकिल ट्रैफिक
Yeah.
के बीच में से फास्ट
Yeah.
चलाना, पिट गए,
Yeah.
पैरापेट पे चलाना,
Yeah.
गिर गए, हाथ टूट गया, पैर टूट गया, इतना ही gutters के ऊपर से jump
Yeah.
करा देना cycle. All that stuff I've done. You know,
Yeah.
I used to climb. I never used the stairs.
Yeah.
I used to jump off the first floor,
Oh,
and I used to climb up the
Yeah.
first floor. You know, coming to the
Yeah.
house. So all these things, you know, I've got yelled at and scolded at for.
and now it's...
Also whacked. And I guess that was the wrong age to do that.
Yeah.
And my father realized that, you know, there's no point doing that. He's going to get hurt. And he's not getting paid for it anyways.
Look how nicely things have worked out.
And then my likes of, you know, taking care of myself,
Yeah.
you know, bodybuilding, etc., sports, they've all come handy.
Yeah.
All come handy. And in my education on the streets, you know, learning people, knowing how people are, they've all come really handy.
Yeah.
You know, so I don't think that, especially I didn't even know that I'm going to be in this industry.
Yeah.
I didn't know where I was going to be, and suddenly I get a film, and I thought that after that film, nothing's going to happen to my career. I'm going to get
Yeah.
destroyed after Beer Hota Aisi. That film did well, and then after that came Maine Pyar Kiya, and there was no looking back.
Yeah.
So I've just been fortunate. I've just been, dude,
I know.
what? Might as well give it to
Oh, you know, just we shouldn't. But since the cat is doing and the cat
Yellow.
is faring this well, seriously, just it's looking like a time that's going to be, to quote you, too much fun. So Eid Mubarak and Kick Mubarak.
Thank you. Thank you.